if you're looking to starting a podcast soon, or you're thinking of going into the voiceover business, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is IFEOLUWA, and today guys I want to show you an AI powered tool that can enhance the voice quality of your audio. Like, this tool can enhance the quality of your sound. I mean poor sound with noisy background. It would make it sound professional, like it was recorded in a studio. The name of this tool is called the Adobe Podcast. With the Adobe Podcast, you can enhance the quality of your microphone. You can remove the noisy backgrounds from your voice recordings, and you can record audio virtually with others and come and edit on the platform. These are all free tools. Right now you have access to the mic check tool and the speech enhancement tool. I tried the speech enhancement tool, and let me show you guys how I did it. What you want to do is go to podcast.adobe.com. Once you go on the landing page, you would see all of the tools that are available, the awesome things that you can do on Adobe Podcast. Just scroll down, you see the remote recording, that's you recording with others, AI powered audio, that speech enhancement that I tried in this video. So I'm trying that out now. First thing you want to do is sign up on Adobe Podcast. That means you have to have an Adobe account. I already do, but you can create an account once you go in to sign in. And so I'm dropping my video, my audio, mp3 audio right now, and it already comes up already for me to download or preview. So this is me recording this video with very noisy background in my audio.
Me using the enhance speech to enhance the quality of this video. What do you
guys think about the Adobe Podcast speech enhancement? Is it a smash or a miss? Write down in the comment section below, smash or miss. Please like, share with somebody that needs this, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.